Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video is related to 15 meters hack and gonna be very special. So guys, watch it till the end. Many of my viewers and subscribers were saying that it's really difficult to carry laptop everywhere to do the hack process. Even few of them were not able to connect their drone to the laptop because of having 32-bit laptop or computer. So far we used drone hack software to do the 15 meters hack, which was totally working fine, but as personally it was not as convenient. So here we are with a perfect solution for this. Now we don't need laptop computer anymore to do the hack process. Before starting with the video, I would like to thank Drone Hacks team for providing me this dhcompanion-lite license for free to test it and bring it in front of all the viewers and subscribers. Hoping that this video will definitely be helpful to you guys to fly your drone more than 15 meters. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video. Firstly, let's buy the dhcompanion-lite license from the Drone Hacks website. We can buy it with the help of your laptop, your computer, or even you can purchase it with your phone. So just enter the dhcompanion-apk. I will be mentioning this link in the description. Once you enter the home page of Drone Hacks, click on the DJI and click on the show license options. After clicking on it, you get three options, that is light, regular and professional. Where in our case we will be buying light license, whereas light license will cost you around 25 euros. A small suggestion that I would like to add before purchasing: when you're buying a drone costing more than 700 euros and flying it just at 15 meters, then there is no use of saying you're enjoying the drone view. You can have that 15 meters view even after standing at the third floor of your building. Once you click on proceed to checkout, you will be directed to the shipping information page. There you need to enter all your personal details. Please make sure to note down the email address that you are mentioning and also note down the password that you are mentioning in this page, because this email address and password is required later to log in. Once you click on continue, you will be redirected to the payment page. Here you can choose PayPal to pay or any international debit card or credit card to pay this amount. Once you select the payment method, then you can click on the submit order. Once your order summary is complete, then you get this page saying thank you for your order with the dronehacks.com. Then below that you will get the steps to download the dhcompanion-apk. Once you get your light license, then you can go ahead and download the dhcompanion-apk file. You can download this dhcompanion application from the official dronehacks.com website. I will be also mentioning this link to download the application in the description. Once you enter this page, click on download Android application. As I already have the Android application, I will not be downloading it again. You can also download this application from the confirmation mail that you got after the order completion. So once you're done with the license purchase and installation of APK, let's take your drone outdoor and try this. Once all your setup is done, turn on your aircraft. Once the aircraft is turned on, then you can open your DJI Fly app, then go ahead and turn on your RC and then connect your RC to your phone. Once the RC gets connected to the aircraft, then click on go fly. Then wait for your GPS to get stable. I mean to say, give your aircraft time to hunt the GPS location. Don't proceed with the steps until and unless this GPS location is stable. As you can see on the screen that my maximum altitude is 15 meters. And as the question that you guys arise that which aircraft version I am using, which app version I am using. So here are the details of my aircraft firmware and application version. Now once the GPS is stable, you can disconnect your phone from your RC. Then go ahead and press home button. Don't close the DJI Fly app. Repeating again, don't close the DJI Fly app. Keep the DJI Fly app running in the background. And take off the cable from the RC and plug it in the bottom port. Once you plug it in the bottom, you get the notification to open the DJI Companion app. Simply click on OK, and this is the interface that your application shows once it detects the drone. After that, you need to enter your email address and the same password that you had entered while purchasing the Lite license. Once you enter the correct email address and password, you get this interface where you get a button to trigger 500 meters of altitude. Then click on enable FCC, which will set your region as US. Once you're done with this process, just switch your application back to DJI Fly app. Then plug out the cable from the bottom of the RC and put it in the top. As to mention again, you need not close any of the applications, neither DJI Fly app nor the dhcompanion app. You need to keep the applications running in the background. Now as you can see on the screen that my maximum altitude has been set to 500 meters. So without wasting much of the time, let's test our drone flying more than 15 meters now. Oh wow, that's amazing. The dhcompanion application is working totally fine and we were able to fly more than 15 meters. I found it great because I was really finding difficult to carry my laptop everywhere. To be very honest, even if DroneHacks team wouldn't have decided to give the Lite license for free, I would have definitely looked forward to purchase it and use it and get rid of carrying laptop everywhere. Meanwhile, however, we have flied it at the 120 meters of height and around 60 meters of the distance. So let's test the RTH as well. To add a point, I always upload videos after testing it with the various situations and parameters. Even before uploading this video, I have done various tests with this hack as well. I have tested the quick shots and I have tested this hack in various different locations and it's working totally fine. So without worries, you can go ahead and download this application and purchase the Lite license and enjoy the full control over your drone. As you can see on the screen that RTH is totally working fine and drone is back to the place from where it has flied. To confirm once again, I am showing you that both the applications were running in the background. So make sure that you need not close any of the application. This hack process need not be followed every time, but this need to be followed whenever the DJI Fly app is closed and reopened. If you are running your DJI Fly app in the background, then you need not trigger the 500 meters going into the DH companion application. Anyways, I don't think this is a great point to note because you can do this process anywhere, anytime with your phone itself. So I don't think this is a big deal to do the hack every time as well. Before winding up the video, I would like to thank dronehacks.com by thinkawesome once again for providing such an awesome application and helping all the drone users. To add more point, this DH application is compatible with maximum of the DJI drones like Mini, Mini 2, L2, Mavic Pro and many more. As I said before, there are 3 types in this license: light, regular and professional. If you want to know more about the regular, comment below. I will surely make a video on regular as well if you guys need the video on that. That's it for this video guys. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have found this video useful,
Please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. For any queries and solutions, comment below.